Then, let's proceed with letter B, obligation. Have to and must. What is obligation in Filipino? Para mas maintindihan natin. Okay, obligation is actually, ito na yung pag itagalog natin is obligasyon. Pero another term for obligasyon or obligation is pananagutan or tungkulin. So, yan yung ibig sabihin ng obligation. Examples. Have to and must are both used to express obligation. There is a slight difference in the way both are used. Meron daw pagkakaiba. What is it? Have to shows that obligation comes from someone else, not the speaker. This is usually referring to a rule or law. Okay, pag ginamit na natin yung words na have to or obligation words na have to, that means it came from another person. So, galing yan sa ibang tao and not the speaker. And this is usually referring to a rule or law. Rules or law, ito siya. Examples. We have to be in the airport at least 2 hours before the flight. So, that obligation is not coming from the speaker. So, galing siya, kasi rules yan siya ng, for example, ng paliparan or ating, ayun na, rules yan siya ng paliparan na you have to be in the airport at least 2 hours before the flight. Second, I have to work on Saturday. Sino bang nag-oblige sa'yo na mag-work ka ng Saturday? So, you're not obliging yourself, but someone, yung employer mo. That is the meaning of the words have to or modal verbs have to. Next, let's proceed with must. Must shows us that the obligation comes from the speaker. So, pag sinabing must, gumamit ka ng must, you're showing an obligation that comes from the speaker. So, like for example, kung gumamit ako ng word na must, so I oblige myself to do something. For example, I must hand in my thesis by tomorrow. So, sino yung nag-oblige sa'yo na ipapasa mo yung thesis mo? So, you yourself. So, ikaw yung nag-oblige sa sarili mo, hindi yung teacher mo. Next, I really must call my parents. So, ikaw din yung nag-oblige na dapat tatawag ka sa parents mo, hindi yung parents mo ang nag-oblige sa'yo. Another examples. Okay, sa baba. We use don't have to show that there is no obligation. You can do something if you want, but it is not an obligation. Example, you don't have to wear a tie to go to that restaurant, but it would be nice. So, pwede din natin gamitin ang don't have to. That means you are not showing an obligation. Kung ang must at saka have to ay nag-show ng obligation or tungkulin or obligasyon, ang paggamit naman ng don't have to is it shows no obligation.